Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing the driver's seat on a Ford Aspire. Aspire to be your best at what you do. Except if you're not the best, just aspire to, just do your thing. So what we have here is a couple fasteners to remove, i.e. bolts, 1, 2, and there in this particular vehicle down here right there, we'll have to remove this plastic oil product, and probably one on the other side, probably down. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hope it's not underneath here. That would be a disaster, wouldn't it? Oh, it is going to be a disaster. It's inside there. Oh, wow. Wow. I have to sneak a bolt in there. I mean, a ratchet. Alright, without further ado, I'm going to have to remove the center console. Ridiculous. Wow. Hey, look, it comes right up. Look at that. Alright, so we'll just get right into it here. So we'll just start taking stuff apart, and it looks like there's a screw right there. You take that one screw off, looks like a big giant screw, and that should get the process starting. Back here is my, oh my goodness, trusty screwdriver, which I probably need a, oh, it will fit. Alright, it's gonna be, alright, so we're just gonna take this, launch it back there, and we have some, wonder if there's any insects in here, any maggots or a couple of dimes. Yuck. A couple hairs, dog hairs or cat hairs or who knows what. It's alien hairs. Got some papers and a cap. Ooh, a little potato chip there. I don't see any. My other vehicle I had a long time ago had maggots crawling around, but a couple of dimes and pennies, and that's about it. But there's a fastener, so we're, ooh, look at that paper clip. Save that for later. Paper clip. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna get my ratchet out and take those 4 bolts off. Well, I'll show you removing this part. So here we go. Alright, got a little bit of hole right there. Look at that. Yeah. Anyway, so I took some of this plastic off, getting this little screw off, finishing off. There we go. It's coming on. Okay. Now I just gotta pull this. I see what's going on. Now that I've been mumbling around. Ooh, check that out. Just gotta get that pulled out to access that. Alright, we have access to that now. I'm going to take this extension off. Go ahead and do this up here. This is a 14 millimeter socket. Alright, the best way to get off really hard bolts is to use a big old breaker bar like this. Look at that. There we go. That was the first loosening of that very, very tough bolt. And from now I can get the rest from now. A lot of people cry over these breaker bars, but I think they work really great in getting fasteners that are too rusted to move anywhere. Okay, we've removed one over there, one here, and one right there, and this side is able to lift up. We got some goop, some kind of dust, and some food, and some gravel, and some spider webs, all kinds of nice stuff up in there. Look at that, it's delicious. To lift that up, and some rusty floor metal and some carpet. So we just gotta take off the fourth one over there. Got the nylon glove. And gotta keep your hands clean. Keeping your hands clean is is what you gotta do. Keep your hands clean. Keep them nice and clean. So I'm just gonna get the other fastener off, and here we go. Alright, getting that final bolt off. There we go. Now some people don't know this. The e-brake, to get it to go down, you gotta pull it up a little bit, push in the button, and go down. You can't just push it down, it doesn't do anything. Pushing the button, sometimes you can just do that. Sometimes you have to pull back a little bit, push the button in, and go down. This particular model, you can just push the button and go down. But sometimes you gotta push it up. So we're getting this little thing that I learned a while ago. You gotta learn sometime. So I'm gonna share that. So I'm just gonna get this final bolt off here and remove the whole car seat. Alright, I'm gonna take the whole seat out now. Except for the steering wheel. Alright, how about that? A little umbrella set up here because it's hot, hot, hot. Alright, let's see some particular models have an electrical attachment to the bottom of the car seat, but this one doesn't because it's old. So, alright. There's nothing particularly, some glass from, I think a rear window was broken at some time. I don't know what the world, but couple of dimes over there. That was found down there. I don't see any insects, but yeah, took that out. Just gotta put it back in now. Alright, now it gives you access to the seat belts themselves, where you can remove them. So I'll remove those here just right now, just to show you how to remove them. Take the seat off. And then go straight to, let's see, I think it might be the same 14 millimeter. Nope, a little bigger, a little bigger. Ooh, I'm going to say 16 or 17 millimeter. Alright, a little swimming pool here for when I get too hot. Get the umbrella up for the hot weather. Got a little seat here. Just going to get in here, and we're taking off the seat belt here. Just kind of probably bonus content. Got this little breaker bar, and it's 17 or 16. I'll find out when I'm done. I already had it broke, so, well, loosened. So it is a deep socket, 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter. And then we'll take that one off, and ooh, it's got a little electric wire going to it. So you'll have to deal with that, because I won't. So that's how you get to that and remove it. And I'm not going to remove those completely because, well, I don't want to. So I'm going to install the front seat back on here. Yep, here we go. Alright, before I get this in here, I got my first battle wound. So, from the Ford Aspire to be awesome. Anyway, we're going to get this front seat in there. So we're going to just get this breaker bar out of the way because we don't need it right now. And we're just going to get that front seat put in there. Oh, look at my nice, I like this weather protectant on that wood. Very nice. Anyway, so we're gonna get this front seat in here, and I'll do this all with my smartphone right now. I'll get a video camera again eventually. So I have to get this in here. Oh, I wish I had a garage to do this, but you gotta do what you gotta get. You gotta work with what you got. Because with a garage, I wouldn't have nosy neighbors watching me all the time, and they are very nosy. Hags, nosy haggy. So let's get that all lined up and get it bolted in. And that's really all you gotta do. And if you want to put the right torque specs on there, put the right torque specs on. If you don't, then don't. And just get this bolted back on there, and that's how you install it. So, this is a Ford Aspire, as I've been saying all along, and it's just it's all around good time. Look at this Ford Aspire. Well, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt. It is back in there, and I am good to go. You are good to go. That's how you install. That's how you remove and install a front seat on a Ford Aspire. Let's take a look at this beast. It's just a beast of a car. Total beast. Got some soccer balls over there. Soccer's fun. Taking a front seat out and putting it back in, or put a new one in if you want. If you're in a vehicle accident from the side and your front seat gets all ajar and messed up, this video will help you put this seat back in on a 1997 Ford Aspire. I hope some of this video helped you out, gave you a good idea of where all the little bolt locations are and fasteners, and I still got to put the screws back on here, but for all intents and purposes, this video, this demonstration, and also the bonus video of the seatbelt holders. Hopefully, hopefully, some of this video helped you out. Look at this antenna. It goes out, ooh, and it goes in. Oh, that's great here. It's great here in Matthumanpizza land, working on cars, taking them apart for you guys. So much fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you want, like, dislike. I'll make videos every 4 days, and it's my upload schedule. I'll be scheduling them out. Ford Aspire. Have a great day. Definitely get you a good pair of gloves. These are $3 gloves, and they're awesome. Because it'll save your hands. They won't get all dirty and nasty. It won't take hours to clean them off. You won't have to get any special soaps to clean them off, and